StoryTeller Channel welcomes you all. We are back again. Hope you all are watching and enjoying the videos. Don't forget to post your comments in the comment box and also give your feedback. Tell us the stories you want to watch on this channel in future. We will create those videos on your demand. Keep watching the StoryTeller Channel and share the videos with your family and friends. Today, I've come with another interesting story. Let's move on. Today's story is Akbar's Parrot. It's a Akbar and Birbal story. Once Emperor Akbar was out on a visit to the market in his kingdom. There he saw a parrot which was very cute. His master had taught him many good things. Akbar was pleased to see this and decided to buy the parrot. In return for the parrot, Akbar paid a good price to the owner. He brought the parrot to the palace as his pet. After bringing the parrot, Akbar decided to give it all comforts of palace life. Now, whenever Akbar asked him anything, he used to answer promptly, which pleased the emperor. Akbar used to be very happy. Day by day, that parrot became dearer to him. He ordered to make royal arrangements for the parrot in the palace. He told the servants, "Special care should be taken of this parrot. The parrot should not be in any kind of discomfort." He also told them, "This parrot should not die under any circumstances. If someone informs me about the death of the parrot, he will be hanged. Take special care of the parrot." Suddenly, one day, Akbar's beloved parrot died. Now, there was fear among the servants of the palace. One of them said, "Who will deliver this message to Emperor Akbar? The emperor has said that whoever gives him the news of the parrot's death will be hanged." The servants were very worried. After much deliberation, they decided to discuss this matter with Birbal. The servants narrated the whole incident to Birbal. They said that Emperor Akbar would hang the one who reported the death of the parrot. Hearing this, Birbal agreed to break this news to the Emperor Akbar. Birbal went to Emperor Akbar and said, "Chapano, there is a sad news for you." Akbar asked, "Tell me what happened." Birbal replied, "Chapano, your dear parrot is neither eating nor drinking anything, neither is he speaking nor opening his eyes, nor is he making any movement, nor..." Emperor Akbar in anger said, "Nor what? Why don't you just say that he is dead?" Birbal said, "Yes, Chapano, but you just said the parrot is dead, and I did not say it. Therefore, spare my life." Even Akbar was stunned and could not say anything. In this way, Birbal saved the life of himself and the palace servants with his great wit. So, the moral of the story is, one should not panic in difficult times, but act wisely. Any problem can be solved by using the mind. Click the like button to like this video. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Till next time. Bye.